Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why you should not stop your ads for Black Friday, Cyber Monday and Christmas or New Year after these holidays and events are over, and why this is actually a bad idea. Okay, so we have here a rule, and this rule is like a golden rule or platinum rule, whatever. That rule is very important, and this rule is basically applied to all advertising that works, right? So if you have anything that works, that make money on daily basis, that constantly has like a high ROAS, it's super profitable and like works great, when it comes to your Facebook campaigns, then there is one very specific rule. Actually, this rule can be kind of like a separated to multiple steps. First one is don't breathe at it, don't look at it in a bad way, and third one, never ever touch it, right? So if something is working, golden rule is that never touch it, just let it work and pray to all gods that it will just keep working. This is actually why I'm recording this video, right? Because, and doesn't matter how weird it sounds, sometimes, and in my case a lot, all my ads, doesn't matter if it's Christmas ad, Black Friday ad, Cyber Monday ad, I never stop them, okay? My ads run all year. And some of these ads in Christmas ads are converting in August, they are converting in September, November, they are converting in May. Doesn't matter if, it's April, I still have sales for my Cyber Monday ads, and they are working perfectly fine, right? So I never touch them and I let them run through all year. And why is that? I think it's like a social mindfuck, right? Because I do believe that there are two types of people that convert on these ads. Well, first one is, people who believe they hack the system, right? Let's say that you have somebody in, January, right? Or March, and they see an ad from Christmas, right? And there is there that huge, like, nice, discount, for Christmas, and they know, wow, I just hacked the system, right? I will get this specific discount that was very, unique only to Christmas, and I can use it right now. And then they will test the discount code, and it still works, right? And they feel like, oh yeah, I found it. And then they will convert, right? Second type of potential customer that converts on this type of ads is that person who think that you are an idiot, right? For example, they see in April this Black Friday ad, right? And there's 40% discount, or it's buy one get one free Black Friday, right? And they will think, oh, these idiots forget to stop that marketing promotion, right? And then they convert about it because they think that they just found something because you are not competent. And you would be surprised how many people really are super happy that they found this kind of deal, right? They are so happy to buy from you because they found this lost ad, right? Or lost promotion, like Black Friday, in August, or Christmas in September, right? And these people are actually very nice customers because they are very happy that they found this kind of offer, and they like your brand, right? They feel that they found something that is special that no one else, found, and they are unique in that way. And there is no reason why really you should stop these ads. I mean, yeah, if you have a brand with some specific rules, right, and you think that this might hurt you, then of course stop it, follow these rules, doesn't matter. But if you can actually make it work, right, and you want these extra sales, or you are a dropshipper, or you are some other marketer, right, just let it go, right? Just let it run. If it works, don't touch it, and just look how people are converting in August for New Year's ads, right? And you will be surprised how this works. I mean, literally, I have a product and I am running their Christmas ads already second year. I even have all my ads dates from 2020, and they are still converting now in December 2022, right? So people are really very happy when they see these ads, and they are more likely to convert because they think they found something unique, something special, it makes them special. And they think that, oh, this is just a great deal, I found, right? So, like I said, if it doesn't hurt your brand, then I absolutely recommend do not touch it. Use this golden rule, right? Don't look at it in a bad way, right? Don't breathe at it, don't touch it, just hope it will work and let it run till it runs, right? And get that sweet profit from those Christmas ads in August. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will make your Q4 madness a little bit easier, and you will also have like tons of profit after Christmas, right? Because a lot of people forget that it's not only about Q4, you should be getting awesome numbers through all year, right? And if you are a typical e-commerce brand and for some reason you are not getting numbers that you want and you would like to scale your sales, definitely click on the link below and schedule a demo call with my Facebook advertising agency Adferation. And if you are watching my videos for some time, you know that before I even start my Facebook advertising agency Adferation, I was actually running my own 8-figure e-commerce stores, and I still till this day run my own 8-figure e-commerce stores, and we spend tens of thousands of dollars of our own money on Facebook every day. So if you want to increase your sales with somebody who also have their own skin in the game, definitely click on the link below and schedule that 15-minute demo call with me. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be looking forward to seeing you in next one. Bye.